Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to copy city layout in Rise of Kingdoms. In Rise of Kingdoms, isn't a built-in feature to directly copy or import another player's city layout, so any replication must be done manually. To start, view the city you want to emulate and take a screenshot or photo for reference. You can save it to your gallery on the same device or use a secondary app if that's more convenient. Next, return to your main city and enter build mode where you can begin rearranging your buildings and decorations to match the reference image. Take your time placing each building thoughtfully, considering both aesthetics and strategic layout for resource and troop management. Although it requires patience, this method lets you create layouts you admire while still allowing room for personal tweaks and optimization. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.